The second part of the question requires you to find the K values for every element in this wall. Now, we got temperature, we got 20 degrees, for example, inside the house, and maybe we got 2 degrees in the outside of the house. What is going to happen is the heat inside the house wants to travel through the fabric of the building and get out. And what we want to do is to make this house more efficient thermally. So we want to stop this heat escaping, or at least to reduce the rate at which this heat escapes. For that reason, we put insulation here, we use light block here, we put this plasterboard, and we done this wall in the way it is. Now, you understand that heat will transfer much faster through brick than it will transfer through insulation. Yeah? Heat will travel very slow through insulation to find its way through. Very, very slow. But through brick, we'll do it much faster. So every material have a different K value. And these K values are given to you, and they are needed for the exercise. Page 122 of your book. You got here K values for materials. And I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4 materials that we have, and I'm going to write here the K values. So we got K value for brickwork, K value for insulation, K value for block work, and we got the K value for the plasterboard. Now, this is not difficult. We just need to go to the table and find the material. We go here, brickwork exposed and brick wall internal. We got the same value for both. I'm going to write here, not 84, and then I'm going to write the units, which are watts meter Kelvin. Now, this value is for exposed brickwork, and is given here as being the same as internal block work. In practical terms, that will not be true, since the brickwork inside will be dry and the brickwork in the outside could be wet, for example, if it rains. And if it's wet, bricks being porous, moisture will travel inside the brick, and that will change the K value of the brick because it will be wet. Heat will transfer much faster. However, we're going to take this as it is in the book, not 0.84. Now, we're looking now at insulation. We got different insulations here. Yeah, glass wool, fiber insulation board, and we got here polyurethane. I'm going to go for this one. These boards, and this not 0 to 5. So I write it here, not, and I write the units. Then I have to look at block work. It's light block work, and it's here. Concrete block, lightweight, and that's 0.19. So I write here 0.19. And then I'm trying to find K for plasterboard. Plasterboard is here, and we got 0.16. Perfect. Now we got all the K values we're going to need for the exercise.